Okay, here we are once again. We are in the Colquit area, from what we understand, of Colquit County, Georgia. And there has been pretty much destruction here as well. We'll try to show you as much as we can. We like getting in the way, of course. So the tornado came directly through here and was probably at one of its strongest points that we've seen so far. This is any county news, any regional news. You can find us on the web or on Facebook under Albany Regional News, or on the web under any county news. But this is absolute devastation. It's at least 100 yards wide, and it's like somebody had basically taken a mower and mowed. This house here took a direct hit, as it's missing most of its right side. Most of the right side is completely gone, upstairs and into the back. So as we continue to shoot, you'll be able to see where we just were just a second ago is on the other side of this field. This is any county news, any regional news, coming to you from Colquit County, Georgia, Colburton area, southeast Colquit County, where a home has taken a direct impact.